So now let's see how we can use the emboss effect inside of HitFilm. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here under effects, and then I'm going to go around under stylize, and here you can see that emboss is an effect right here. So with this effect, what you can do is you can go around and bring it and keep it on top of layers right here. Or what you can also do is you can simply go around and bring in the emboss effect over here in the layer itself. So let's just go around and then select out the layer and then keep the emboss effect right here in the layer right here, just like this. And you can see that the emboss effect is applied right here. So with the emboss effect, what you can do is you can change around the direction right here, as you can see. So with the emboss effect, you can see that it detects out the edges, and then you can see that on the grayscale like area, it bulges out everything. So apart from that, you can see that you can work around with the direction right here. Then you can see that you can work around with the blend amount with the gray scale object right here, and with the original video, as you can see. So you can go around and increase and decrease this out right here. So right now by default it's 100%, but you can go around and decrease it out as per how you like it. You can go around and increase and decrease out the contrast as well. So if you bring down the contrast, then it's totally gray. But if I were to go around and increase this, then you can see that the difference between the S right here and it's black and white part is less or more accordingly. You can also go around and change around with the S width, so that you can go around and change out the size of the width of the edges that you have right here, as you can see. Then you can work around with blend amount right here and get the effect as you like, just like this, as you can see. And this is how you can go around and utilize the emboss effect inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.